Today I'm going to show you how to turn a banana into a Jell-O shot while it's still inside the skin. The first thing you'll need is a banana. It needs to be just about ripe. We'll also need some vodka. The higher the quality, the better this will work. And finally, we'll need sugar as our activating agent. It takes about 1/4 to 1/2 cup to work perfectly. Put the banana in a Tupperware-like container, add some vodka, and then pour in the sugar. Now make sure you mix the sugar thoroughly, otherwise it won't work. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, put the container uncovered in the refrigerator. You'll need to leave it in there anywhere from 4 to 12 hours, depending on the quality of the vodka, the temperature of the refrigerator, and how much sugar you used. Experiment with different lengths of time to see what works best with your materials. If you end up with a partially gelled banana, you'll know you need to leave it in there a little bit longer next time. When you take it out, you'll notice the banana's turned pretty brown. That's normal and always happens when you stick bananas in the refrigerator. Don't worry about it though, it won't affect the conversion process in any way. You should notice right away that the banana feels a lot softer than when you started. Because of that, you won't be able to peel the banana as you ordinarily would. To open it, you'll have to carefully cut it right at the base of the stem. Now you can peel it open and enjoy your Jell-O shot still in the skin. You can actually use this method to do the entire bunch of bananas all at the same time. You'll have to use a lot of sugar to pull it off, but your friends will be in for quite the shock when they open their banana. Now go out there and have some fun with your new party treats. And be sure to leave comments to let others know how much sugar, how much vodka, and how long it took.